Our first priority has always been to cut expenses first. And last year, yes, we did entertain the notion of a millage increase, particularly in light of our crime epidemic, but we chose to cut expenses. The thing that is different this year is you've got a significant revenue shortfall on top of what we already had. We've been through tax reform, which cost us about $100 million, but then we had a recession that we know is costing about $40 million, and then on top of that, pension costs that are spiraling out of control. So we've had additional pressure on this budget with revenue shortfall that I think has forced us to entertain another round of cuts on top of the cuts we've been pursuing all along, and then a marginal revenue increase. But, we're looking at significant cuts to the tune of $40 million off the top of this government. We're talking about wage freezes. We're talking about 5% departmental cuts, those things that can really make a difference. But at the same time, we have to, I think, entertain a revenue increase so that the cuts are not deeper. The world has changed since last year. Since I introduced the budget last year, the world has changed. There are things that have happened that we never would have anticipated. And I think we have to be nimble, we have to adjust, and we have to find balance. And that balance is what is worse? Is a marginal revenue play worse than the devastating cuts that we'd see as we completely redefine our quality of life with a level of cuts that I think would be unsustainable?